I'm going to start with pouring just some of this baking soda in here. This is solely to soak up any of those odors that's going on. I'm going to close this and go ahead and let this sit for probably 10 minutes or so, just to kind of soak up all of those odors. What you're going to need other than that is just some good old-fashioned dish soap. Use whatever you have on hand. I'm using Dawn, and then water. I'm going to end up spraying mine out with my hose and some sort of something to scrub it out with, whether that be a washcloth, a scrub brush, a like scrub daddy sponge or something like that, just to scrub it. And the last thing you're gonna need is just some good old-fashioned elbow grease. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna come back, drizzle in my dish soap in there, hit it with my hose, scrub it out, and hopefully this baking soda will do the trick to get rid of all those odors. This is our bait cooler, so we put live worms and stuff in here when we go fishing. It gets really nasty, so the baking soda is definitely gonna help soak up whatever nastiness is in the bottom of this cooler. So that is that. It's sat for a couple minutes. I'm adding in some of that dish soap here. Also, I'm going to be using to clean this out. I got these at Walmart. If I remember, I can try to link them down below, but they're basically gloves that are sponges, which are really convenient and really nice. I use them way more often than I even thought I would. I'm just going to take my hose, spray some water in here, and basically start scrubbing until it's clean, and then repeat the process as needed. I'm just going to tip mine upside down just like this to let it dry, and the reason you want to tip it upside down is to prevent any mold or mildew from growing on the inside. Go ahead and leave it like this for a couple hours until it's dry and you're good to go.